The good news, Gift Nifty is seen jumping out of the gate. The positive catalyst, Wall Street notches fresh record highs. The overnight gains at Wall Street were despite a hotter than expected CPI print. That brings us to our call of the day, which suggests 3 interest rate cuts by year-end are quite likely. We say so because the US CPI print did not see any significant month-over-month hike in inflation and most importantly despite Trump's tariff. Long story short, the street will be positioning for a 50 basis points rate cut move at 17 September FOMC meet outcome. Bottom line, Nifty's bullishness shall prevail on hopes possibly bigger Fed rate cuts from the Federal Reserve with immediate targets at Nifty to 5155 mark and aggressive targets at 25,670 mark. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 3472 crores while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 4046 crores. Bullish sentiments are likely to prevail for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals suggest some massive rebound play. FANO September month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 24,500 and 25,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering near 10.36 levels. At last check, USD INR, September, spiked higher towards 88.50. Nifty PCR, 30th September, is at 1.11 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 30th September, is at 1.02. Nifty outlook, Nifty risk-on theme is likely to prevail. We suspect robust rally ahead. The Gyan Mantra, stay bullish. Nifty, CMP to 5006. Biggest interweek support for Nifty is now placed at 24,773 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 25,670 mark on closing basis. Range for the day is likely to be between 24950 and 25300. Bias for the day is positive. Sensex, CMP 81549. Biggest interweek support for Sensex is now placed at 80,321 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 83,482 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 81,308 to 700. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 54670. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 53,561 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 55,300 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 54,500 and 55500. Bias for the day is positive. Stock market news. U.S. Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick said Washington will sort out a trade deal with India only if it halts Russian oil imports, even as India continues purchases in national interest. Stocks in spotlight. 1. The Nifty Pharma, plus 0.47%, index gained in Thursday's trade and was up around 1.72% in the last 3 trading sessions. 2. Aurobindo Pharma, plus 5.87%, zoomed solidly higher after reports said GTCR strikes $4.8-BN deal to buy Zentiva. A report earlier last month had mentioned that Aurobindo Pharma was leading the race to buy Zentiva for up to $5.5 billion. Other pharma stocks in limelight were Gland Pharma, plus 3.33%, Alkem Laboratories, plus 1.37%, and Sun Pharmaceutical Industries, plus 1.02%. 3. Adani Power, minus 1.54%, shares slipped despite reports of securing additional 800 megawatts capacity from Madhya Pradesh. The company announced that it received an additional letter of award from MP Power Management Company Limited for 800 megawatts capacity under the Greenshoe option. This brings Adani Power's total awarded capacity from MPPMCL to 1,600 megawatts, doubling from the initial 800 megawatts awarded on 29 August 2025. 4. Vari Energies, plus 7.53%, gained and most importantly, its MCAP crossed 1 lakh rupees as it hit fresh 52-week high. 5. Tega Industries, minus 2.11%, on the firm's plans to buy Molycorp in $1.5 billion deal. Meanwhile, Tega Industries expects to reduce Molycorp's existing debt from $1 billion to $800 million, which could support interest savings and improve the group's credit profile over time. 6. Jupiter Wagons, plus 4.46%, gained after subsidiary company bags 113 crore rupees order from Railways Ministry.